Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside the Notes app with the note open. First, tap the note so the toolbar appears and make sure you're in edit mode. This allows gestures to work. Once done, position 2 fingers on the screen near the area you want larger. Pinch outward slowly to zoom into text or images. Pinch inward to return. If gestures fail, check settings for gesture restrictions and make sure any external keyboard or accessibility option isn't locking touch input. Next, you refine the view. For images and sketches, pinch outward repeatedly to reach the desired scale, then drag with 1 finger to reposition. This keeps your context intact. If you need precise text enlargement, open the iOS magnifier from Control Center and point it at the screen, because magnifier can give steadier, higher resolution zoom. Make sure to zoom incrementally so content reflows correctly. Otherwise, you might lose your place or trigger selection instead of zooming. Finally, settle the view and save your position. Release your fingers gently after zooming so the app registers the scale, then tap outside or hit done to finish editing. If the content jumps or selection appears instead of a smooth zoom, immediately tap undo or close and reopen the note to restore layout. If problems persist, restart the Notes app, reboot your device, or toggle relevant accessibility and gesture settings. This usually clears gesture conflicts and restores normal pinch-to-zoom behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.